Ayan. So welcome now to my next video. Today we'll be learning about the accounting equation. So we'll be answering a set of questions here up to number 20 na galing sa accountingcoach.com. So simulan na natin. Ayan. So number 1, the accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus equity. Ulit, assets equals liabilities plus equity. So it is the balance sheet account here. Ayan. So number 2. Ayan, so we have a set of problems from number 2 to 13 and indicate whether indicate the two whether it affects the accounting equation of the business company. So I have prepared a solution for here. Ayan, accounting equation. So simula tayo, the owner invests personal cash in the business. Ayan, so halimbawa yan, when an owner invests a personal cash, this is the journal entry, debit of cash and a credit of equity or dyan capital. Take in mind that these are gawa-gawa ko lang tong account na to, hypothetical lang. So when a company invests cash, about 10,000, yeah, then 10,000 is put in the business and 10,000 equity is put in the business, so equal siya. So number 2, increase of assets and increase in equity. Increase of equity, no effect in liability, and 0 tayo. So number 3, the owner withdraws cash from the business for personal use. So this is the journal entry, dyan drawings, and yun nga, since cash is going out, we credit the cash. Ano ba, 5,000 yung withdraw niya. Ayan, so minus 5,000 tayo, minus 5,000. Yung balance natin ngayon ay ito. So balance pa din siya. Balance pa din siya. So number 4, the company receives cash from a bank loan. Yan. Ibig sabihin na umutang yung company. Ano ba sa BDO, bank? Ano ba example ng bank? BPI. Yan. So umutang siya ng 20,000. Yan. Debit of cash of debit 20,000 and a credit of 20,000 for the notes payable. Yan. So dagdag tayo ng 20,000 na 20,000. Yan. So, mag-equal tayo ng 25, 20, and 5. So, makita natin na assets of 25 plus liabilities and equity of 20 plus 5,000. Yan. Equal siya. Yan. Number 5, the company repays the bank. Yan. So, ano ba? Binayaran na natin yung BDO o BPI o anong bank yun? 8,000. For example lang, 8,000. Yan. So, babawasan tayo ng cash at mababawasan tayo ng liability. Yan. So, ano pa din siya? Balance. And number 6, let's put here decrease of cash of 8,000 and decrease of liability of 8,000. Correct? Decrease. Owner's equity have no effect. Number 6, the company purchase equipment. Yan. So cash is going out and equipment is going in. Yan. So 2,000, 2,000. Ano about? Ano pwede mabili sa 2,000? Ano about? Printer? 2,000. Okay. What number are we? Yan. Number 6. The asset is increasing and the cash is going out, so asset must decrease. So in conclusion, it has no effect. Diba? Parang nag-cancel out lang siya. Number 7, the owner contributes his or her personal track to the business. Yan, so medyo tricky siya. The journal entry here is John Capital. So hindi porket na pag John Capital, cash lagi. Hanggat na nag-i-invest yung company, whether na land siya, equipment, o utang, capital yung gamit natin. And since track yung niya, yung kinontribute niya, equipment siya. 20,000 halimbawa yung value ng truck. So yan. So cash is going in of 20,000. And equity is going in of 20,000. Again, balance. Yan yung balance natin ngayon. Number 8, the company purchases a significant amount of supplies on credit. Yan. So supplies is going in and a liability is going in of 1,000. And let's check. Correct. Number 9, the company purchased land by paying half in cash and signing a note payable. So ano siya? Unusual siya. Kasi paying cash and the other half is paying a notes payable. Where is the land? Here. So land, 4,000 halimbawa yung land. Tapos yung kalahati daw cash, kalahati utang. So tatlo siya, compound entry ang tawag dito. Yan. So cash going in, yan, this and this. Going this. So cash must increase and this 2,000 increase. No effect kasi 0 siya. Number 10, a set of new problem here. So drop down tayo, new tayo. The company provides a consulting services to client Q and company X bills client Q. Yan, see here. of 5,000. The company X records the transaction by debit of accounts receivable and a credit of revenues of 5,000. What is the effect of the accounting equation? So this is the journal entry: debit of AR and a debit of AR and a credit of service revenue 5,000. Yan. So again, revenue increases an equity. So take in mind again, revenue increases equity while expense decreases equity. So here we add here in the equity account of 5,000 daw, correct? 5,000 asset. And correct. Excuse me, number 11, June, company X received 5,000. What would be the journal entry here? Yun, yung accounts receivable kanina, ika-cancel out natin ng 5,000. And cash is going in, receives 5,000 of debit, again here. And nakita natin na asset tong dalawa. Diba? Cash is an asset and accounts receivable is an asset. So, we add asset of 5,000 and decrease asset of 5,000. So, in effect, nothing happens. So, no effect dito. Again dito, no effect din on both of the liability and equity. And number 12, the client Q's accounting equation when client Q records a transaction debit to a consultant expense of 5,000, credits accounts payable 5,000. Again, expenses decreases equity, so we minus equity here. And accounts payable is a liability, so liability is going in. Yan. So balance pa din siya. 5 and negative 5 equals 0. And here in the assets, it's 0. And last number, what is the effect on client's Q accounting equation when client Q remits the 5,000? So the last journal entry here is cash is going out and accounts payable is going out of 5,000. Since canceling out the previous accounts payable, we get this account balance. Yeah. So we have a negative asset here and a negative equity here. Yeah. So number 14. Let's continue. Let's go back here and let's type our answer here. The following will cause the owner's equity to increase: revenue. Which of the following will cause the equity to decrease: expense or net loss? The accounting equation should remain in the balance because every transaction affects how many accounts, 2 or more. 17. A corporation's net income is eventually recorded in the following stockholders' equity account: net income, retained earnings. And so medyo advanced concept siya kasi ang retained earnings ay makikita lang sa corporation, sa Jollibee or Greenwich. Pero halimbawa yung naman, pag small business, madalas yung capital owner ang gamit. So here, example, let's find a statement of, here, I have an example of a statement of retained earnings where the net income of 25 pesos is added in the beginning RE or retained earnings, leading to the end RE. And medyo advanced siya. I will make a separate video about this. And number 18, the corporation's quarterly blank will cause a reduction in the corporation's retained earnings. This is dividends. Again, dividends, ito yung bayad ng company sa mga stockholders. Anong stockholders? Ito yung pag bumili ka ng stock. Bumili ka ng stock ng Apple or Amazon. Ito yung parang promise ng company na in exchange of buying their stocks, you will receive a small amount of money. So, medyo advanced siya. And mayroon siya explain. Separate video natin siya explain. Number 19, the financial statement with a structure that is similar to the accounting equation is the balance sheet. Again, for easier reference, we have this DC Adler. Diba? The top represents the balance sheet, and number 20, the financial statement reports the portion of the change in owner's equity resulting from revenues and expenses during a specified time interval. Specified time interval or a period of time is the income statement. Ano ba yung performance ng company within 5 months or within 6 months or within 1 year? Yun yung income statement. Yun yung income statement. So, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment lang kayo sa baba. And God bless tayo. Stay tuned.